Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here with a quick tip just in time for Easter. A lot of times when people play the Easter song, they just play the chords in the rhythm of the vocals. But to get a little more energy and rhythm, try toggling back and forth between the top two notes of each chord and the bottom note. So the F chord, we would be toggling back between the top two notes F, A, and C. So it would be that C chord would be this C chord here, the top two notes being G and C, toggling back and forth between that and E. So that first part would be slowly, and then it goes back to that F chord. That B flat chord would be the B flat F, toggling back and forth between those two notes and the D. And then the C to G would be So let me play everything slowly so you can see the fingers in action, and then I'll take it up to speed. So slowly, it's toggling back and forth between the top two notes. And here it is up to speed. Happy Easter!